Okay guys, yeah, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your YouTube logo, YouTube banner and your YouTube subscribe watermark button. So let's head over to Canva. We're using Canva to create this. So head over to canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, it's very simple. You can go to canva.com and create one. So in the search box here, just type YouTube banner and click enter. So as you can see, our template is being generated already. So you have a bunch of templates here that you can use, but it's better you start from scratch. So the purpose of this video is to teach you how to do yours from scratch. So click create a blank YouTube banner. So here is the interface for the design. So what you should do is to first bring in a ruler. A ruler will help you to guide how your banner will show on desktop, phone and tablets. All right, so you can see what I just did now. You go over to settings. Let me go over to file rather, click on settings and click on show ruler and guide. So this will make you to know the dimensions. All right, so there is a default dimension. I already copied it, so let me just paste it so that it will be a guide for me as well. So paste. Okay, so this is the ruler we'll be using. So now on this you can see vertical ruler 507 by 2053. So go to your vertical sign here and drag to 507. So if you can't get 507, maybe let's say 506. All right, 506 is also better. Then come over here again and click drag to 2053. 2054. Okay, 2053 is not okay. Then from the horizontal here also drag to 508. You can see the number by the left hand corner, 508. Okay, 510 is also okay, 507 is also okay. Then come up again and drag again to 932. Okay, 933 is also available, so that one is okay. So the main part of this, or let me say the main purpose of this video is just for you to get this little box here so that you can be able to know how it will show on mobile device, right? So now let's go on to edit our banner. I can just delete this. Okay, so I already have my image background, so I click and then you can possibly drag. All right, you can drag. Okay, so we just come to text. You can add text, green. Okay, you can put here. You can design anything, right? So it does not really, it's not really limited to, don't limit yourself. Okay, so I'm trying to design my studio. Okay, as you can see, I can change this to green. Okay, change this to green as well. Okay, all right, so I can move this a little bit here, move this a little bit and bring in my avatar. Okay, all right, so bring in my avatar. Okay, it can stay somewhere here. All right. Okay, it is too big. Let me reduce it a little bit. All right. Okay, so you can add text as well. Transform your creativity. So I want to reduce the font size and also change the color. Let me put it as white. Is it white? Okay. I need to highlight this. It's highlighted, so let's change it to white. All right, so you can also change this to white. I'm just designing something, right? So the main purpose of this video is just for you to know this dimension so that you won't waste your time in designing a banner that will not fit into your studio. All right, so well, this is it. So you can just rename it. Just say, can say my banner. Okay, my banner 01. Just put any name you like. So you can change the font size, right? So I want to change it to Montserrat. Change this one also to Montserrat. All right. So change this to Montserrat. Can use any font you like. All right. So this is basically how to edit your YouTube banner. So just click on share, click on download. Yeah, okay, so I have 2 pages, so I don't want to download the second page, only the first page. All right, so I click on done and download. So my banner is downloaded already. Okay guys, as you can see, it's only our banner that can take time. So let's create our logo. So head over to this hamburger sign right here, click on home. Okay, as you can see, we are back to the home page. So type YouTube logo. Okay, so click enter. So as you can see, our logo template is created already. So you can pick from any of these, but as I said earlier, I want to show you how to do it from scratch. So we need a blank template. I'm not seeing any blank template here, so you can just click on one of these, remove all the features and reuse it. Okay, so let's find the free one. Let me click on this one, click on customize this template. Okay, we now have our logo, so let's delete everything here. We want a white background, so I'm deleting everything here. I'm deleting everything. So let's delete this background as well. Okay, so we will now have a white background, right? So I already have a background I want to use for this tutorial, so just click So I can right click and make this, set this as background. Alright, so where's my avatar? I bring in my avatar, as you can see here. Okay, I'm making it bold. Alright, so there's no specific dimension for this. The dimension is there by default, so you don't need to make use of ruler. Okay, I think this is too small. I want it to be big. Okay, is this big enough? Alright, so I want a round frame above it. I can't use this one. Okay, I have one here. Alright, so you will see the purpose of this round cycle when we start uploading. Okay, so let's make it like this. Alright, so that is it. We are done with our logo. Thing is to create our YouTube subscribe or watermark. So click on this hamburger sign again and go to home page. So guys, we're in the home page, so let's type YouTube watermark. So our template is generated already, so you can also start from scratch, as I said. So just pick an image, right, to edit. Okay, so you can pick this. Okay, let me pick this one, this first one here, and then you click on customize this template. Okay guys, our template is being uploaded already. So what we need to do is to delete all this. As I said, just delete. Okay, I really want to make use of this and right here and this subscribe sign, so I won't delete that one. Okay, some of every other thing I will delete them. So I need a background, so come over to my upload. Alright, let me use this background. Okay, I really love this so much. So just right click on the image and set as background. Can you see that's very simple? So just set this thing very well. Let me tilt it a little bit. Okay, subscribe, just simple, you don't need to stress yourself. So let me move this up a little bit. Okay, so the purpose of this watermark is to make your viewers see your subscribe button at the bottom right corner of your video. So we are going to upload this now, so that I'm going to show you how it will look like. Alright, so that's all. So our logo is also ready. So it's now time for us to go to our YouTube channel and upload these three designs that we've just created. Alright, let's go to the YouTube. So let's head over to youtube.com. Just type youtube.com. okay, so we're in YouTube now. So okay, as you can see this, just come over to your right hand top corner here, click on your account. So click on view channel, or you might not want to do that, you can just come over to your right button here. So you click on YouTube Studio. This is where we are going to, YouTube Studio. Okay, we're in YouTube Studio right now. So just come here and click on customization. Alright, so click on branding. Now this is where we are going to upload the three images we've generated. So this is your logo, this is your banner, and this is your watermark. So let's upload our logo first. Click on upload. So it will take you to your file manager on your PC. So where is the logo? So this is the logo. Okay, select it. Now you can see the importance of that round cycle I told you about, so just click on done. As you can see, it's fitting perfectly. Then let's go to our image banner, click on upload. So where's our banner? Okay, this is our banner. Click and upload. So this is how it's going to show on a mobile device, this here, and this is how it's going to show on your TV or other device. So click on done. Wow, this is beautiful. And then your watermark, click on upload. So where's our watermark? Okay, here it is. Click and upload. As you can see, okay, so you can click on publish. Alright, that is it for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please, I would like you to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any other amazing tutorial like this. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.